Welcome to Nature's Wild Playground. Today we're going to be doing a couple knots. This one is one of the fisherman's knots. You're going to take your line, feed it right through the eye of this lure. Dropping it. And what you're going to do now is you're going to hold these two lines here and twist. Watch out for them hooks. I stabbed a couple times. I did color this with a permanent marker and hoped you guys could see this a little bit better. So you can twist it as much as you want. I prefer about 8 times. So you're going to hold this here with these 3 fingers. I take these 2, and that little hole right there in the center, little line, I'm just going to feed that right through there. And pull tight. That is one fisherman's knot. You pull down on the knot a little bit to get it to the eye of the lure. If you prefer not to stab yourself. Cut off your excess, and your knot is tied. This one here is a highwayman's knot. And you're going to start with 3 of these in a row. So you're going to hold this one with your thumb, wrap around once, and hold that, and twice. So now you have 3. You're going to take your center one, go to your left. Now the left one is in the center here, and you're going to go to your right. You can take this one here in the center and hold that and pull. This one can be readjusted to whatever need or size you need. Comes undone really easily. And those are your 2 knots, the fisherman's knot and the highwayman's knot. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.